All right. As you see, it's Mr. John here, and I've got some Korean beef, raw beef, yukwae, Hanu yukwae. Wow, I'm excited. It's a big day. We've got 426 grams here. 426 grams of Korean raw beef. Are you ready? I'm going to try to make this myself. Let's do it. Smells good. Glove on. I've got some apple here. I didn't have a pear, but I have some apple that I'll cut up and put in here. All right. And we're going to mix it all together. Yukwae. I got my secret sauce here. All right, my yukwae sauce. I'm going to pour that in. Oh, yeah. Some good sauce. Oh, that smells delicious. Okay. Now I'm going to massage it all in together. Oh, it looks beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. Nice, soft, quality Korean beef. Okay. I'm going to make an indent here for my eggs. Next, I have 2 raw eggs I'm going to crack and put in there. Oh, beautiful. Do I need a bigger hole? Ah, it's leaking over. And my finishing touch, sesame seeds. Chamke. I love sesame seeds. Get a handful of these sesame seeds. Grind them up with my hands. Right on top over here. All right, that smells and looks great. Woo! I'm ready. Let's do this. And here we are. Yukwae is ready to eat. Korean raw beef. Yeah. Mmm. 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 Wow. Oh man. That is superb. Very nice. Superb. Soft, sweet, yummy. All right. Let's dig in. I'm very hungry, but I have to remember to take my time and not rush. Enjoy the meal, right? It's very delicious. So I have to slow down, and relax, and enjoy my Korean raw beef. Mm-hmm. Very smooth, very delicious. Bon appetit. Really good. Everything comes together well. Great combination with the sauce and the apples. Pear is usually a really good combination with this, but I didn't have pear, but the apples work nicely with it as well. You see, I'm a tiger. Tiger, right? Tiger's got to eat the fresh meat, right? We don't want no rotten meat, as I would say. 호랑이는 속은 고기 먹지 않아. Right? I gotta have fresh meat. Thank you, Korea. My fresh meat. Mm-hmm. So, an English pattern for you here. It looks delicious. Ooh, my raw beef. We could say, oh, it looks delicious. It looks great. It looks great. How about this knife? Ooh, it looks really sharp. It looks really sharp. It looks really useful. It looks really useful. Ooh, strong steel. It looks like it's good quality. It looks like it's good quality. I feel like a lion or a tiger after a big hunt. Maybe I'll take a nap after this, like a lion. Alrighty, all finished. Just some apple pieces in there. That was awesome. So as you saw, the Korean raw beef was fantastic. It looked great, it tasted great, and I am happy. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.